Marty, thanks for joining me today. Tell us some more about the repair that you had to make, including some of the challenges that you faced.
Yeah, we unfortunately, our town here is our infrastructure is run somewhere in the early 1900s. We face numerous challenges every day trying to adapt what's new water to what's old water. Fortunate for us, we've been big HYMAX users, and it has saved us a lot of time and a lot of work with some of the products that they have come out with. Just recently, we have a apartment complex. We decided we were going to change the meter out. It's down in a big concrete meter vault, probably 8 foot long by 3 or 4 foot wide by about 4 foot tall. Once we got in there, we had noticed that the pipe coming into the meter vault was just off center from the meter setter. Initially, to do a project like that, then you're looking at probably opening up somewhere around 40 to 60 feet of ground to be able to get far enough back on that pipe on outside of that meter vault. The HYMAX swivel joint just, it saved us all that time with just one fitting. So to be able to put it down in the meter vault and manipulate the degree that you need to be able to hook something up, especially when you're off an inch or two, we went from probably a 3 or 4 day job down to about 3 hours start to finish. We had water down for the people there, probably less than 2 hours. And, in the middle of a pandemic, water is a big deal, especially when we're preaching to people to wash your hands and to clean your surfaces off. To leave people out of water for hours on end or days on end is just not feasible at this point. And the HYMAX swivel joint eliminated all that. It eliminated multiple fittings. It eliminated manpower hours. So the little extra that you pay for the fitting in itself, it's probably saves you, over more than a third of what the cost of the job would be, just by the time with labor and all the stuff that you need, stone to put back and blacktop and all that. It's become a big lifesaver for us. And I think to date, we're installed somewhere around 4 of those in different locations and various different situations. And to us, it's been a big cost and lifesaver for what we have to deal with on a day-to-day.